Alright, so this is how we do it, right? This is how you use a burger press. So we have the burger press. Put your paper on the bottom so it keeps it clean. Then you got your ground chuck. Weigh it out. This one's going to be 6 ounces. All the other ones that we have here are 4 ounces. Put your burger right there. Put your chuck there. And we like using ground chuck because it's nice and fatty. It's all juicy. It tastes really good. Alright, put your paper on top. Oh shit. Paper on top. Close it up. Press down on it. Stand on it like you stand on business. Yeah, stand on it. Alright. Nice juicy patty. Alright. All we gotta do is go cook them now. Cool beans. And down. There you go. 2. Put a little bit of mustard on top just for some flavors. Alright, so let's check these out now and see what they look like. Alright, so they're starting to bleed through just the slightest bit. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these guys. Alright, not bad, not bad, not terrible. Boo-boo. Give that cheese a chance to melt. Alright, let's take a look. Take this, put this in here like that. This thing's pretty much done. Take some of these onions, put some of these onions on top of that. She likes her onions. Alright, they're going on. Okay, now these ones we are going to smash. Now we're going to stand on business. I want to show you how to stand on business right here. Stand on it. Okay. Okay, I'd say these things look like they're ready to flip, so let's go ahead and flip them. Oh shit. Just means this thing's a little uneven, that's all. No big deal. It's food, and I like that. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out. Hot spot right here, it's kind of, it's cooking really good. Go ahead and slide that over just a little bit. Anything nice and charred on one side. At least go ahead and char it up on the bottom. Shawty. Hello.